Good day, innovators. I'm glad to be a part of this important Lift Summit, hosted by one of CalSTA's valuable partners, Monterey Bay DART. As California's Transportation Secretary, I'm grateful for the essential work that Josh Metz and his team at DART are implementing every day for the people of the Monterey region and California, which really should come as no surprise, as the world often looks to California for its common attractions. Our state's high-tech ecosystem, talented workforce, and diverse regional transportation landscape truly make California a natural setting for transportation innovations. California has been a hub for aircraft innovation since the earliest days of aviation in the 1920s, with airframe and aircraft and engine manufacturers like Lockheed, Northrop, and Douglas. After World War II, California became a leader in commercial aircraft manufacturing. From the 1980s on, the aerospace and defense industry has been a very important sector of our economy. Today, California continues to be an aviation leader, from headquarters and test centers to world-leading advanced air mobility, or AAM, or unmanned aerial aircraft systems and spacecraft manufacturers. Over the last decade, autonomous vehicles have also become a commercial technology, providing millions of rides to Californians. It's a privilege to do the work that we do in transportation through our core 4 priorities. It's embedded in all our work: safety, equity, climate action, and economic prosperity. By introducing novel aircraft designs and automation features, AAM can improve the safety profile of traveling in small aircraft, saving lives. AAM can support equitable multimodal travel and improve connectivity for urban and rural residents, if it's affordable and accessible to all communities. It can also help get critical needs to communities that lack surface-based infrastructure. To make that happen, industry and local authorities need to engage closely with local communities to mitigate impacts and coordinate planning between modes. Using electric propulsion, AAM can improve our climate through reduction of harmful emissions, making air travel more sustainable. This will take strong coordination with utilities and airports to equip landside infrastructure with charging facilities. By improving the cost and convenience of moving goods regionally, AAM can build on the success of California's innovation economy and generate high-quality jobs across all skill levels, also contributing to thriving communities. In 2023, the California legislature passed SB 800, directing Caltrans to develop a 3-year work plan to prepare the state for AAM deployment. That report was recently published for comment and will be finalized and submitted to the legislature very soon. Areas of focus under the SB 800 work plan include these 4 things: regulatory modernization, infrastructure readiness, accessibility, and, very important, community engagement. I want to thank you all again for your critical efforts and not merely waiting for the future, but rather peeking up and around the corner and creating it. I'd like to leave you with a quote from a friend of mine, former U.S. Secretary of Transportation, Anthony Fox. He said, "The reality about transportation is that it's future-oriented. If we're planning for what we already have today, then we're behind the curve." So again, thank you for all that you're doing to continue to push innovative mobility in California and for the country as well. Thank you, and see you around soon.